In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit text in a digital design tool, ensuring your projects look just the way you envision them. Whether you're working on a presentation, a graphic design project, or simply sprucing up a document, these simple text editing steps will give you all the flexibility you need to create a polished and professional look. To begin, the first thing you need to do is select the text layer that you wish to edit. This might be a block of text in your current project, or a specific layer if you're working with a multi-layered design. Make sure you've identified the correct text layer to ensure that your changes are made precisely where you need them. This is essential, especially in complex designs where multiple text layers exist. Now that you've selected the desired text layer, the next step is to double-click it. Doing this will enter you into text editing mode. This is akin to opening a drawer to access the items inside, in this case giving you direct access to modify the text content. Once in this mode, feel free to type away and make the necessary updates or adjustments to your text, and whether it's a simple typo correction, adding new information, or rephrasing for clarity, this editing mode provides you with the freedom to make those immediate adjustments. With your text content updated, attention can shift to the visual properties. On the right sidebar, you have a wealth of options at your fingertips. Here, you can modify the font size to ensure legibility or match the aesthetic of your design. Adjust the font weight to either provide bold emphasis or create a lighter touch. Changing the color is also an option, offering the ability to match your text with the rest of your design or brand guidelines. Besides these, there are other properties available, such as line height and letter spacing, that allow further customization, ensuring that your text not only communicates effectively but also visually resonates with your audience. If you find that the text box itself needs some adjustment, but you want to maintain the current font size, don't worry, this is easily achievable. You can drag the bounding box handles to resize the text box without altering the font size. This is particularly useful if you need to adjust the layout to fit certain design constraints, or if you're attempting to achieve a specific aesthetic without impacting the textual readability. And there you have it. By following these clear and straightforward steps, you can accurately edit any text layer in your design project with ease and confidence. So go ahead and make those edits, knowing that each adjustment brings your project closer to perfection. Thanks for watching and happy designing.